Today I'm going to be looking at how to draw Among Us characters. My students are obsessed with this game. You run around, you complete tasks, or you're the imposter and you run around and you take out other people. You sabotage their attempts to be a successful space station. Now, some of it is like really simple design. And you would think simple design, easy to draw. But no, there's plenty of things that people are struggling with. Almost like me struggling with this task right here the first time I encountered it in electrical, even though the slider is highlighted. I have no idea what I'm doing. Now, look at that, dead body. And I was found right next to it. What do you think is going to happen with this discussion? Exactly. So, there I'm gone. Since there's no point in me playing the game anymore, let's focus on how to draw these characters. Drawing a crewmate is like drawing a big upside down U and giving it some rounded squares for legs. Now don't forget that overlapping line that distinguishes between the leg that's in front and the one that's in back. The goggles are kind of a big rounded oval, and then there's the backpack or air pack. Now when you go to outline these, pay attention to your line weight. Make these chunky lines, they need to be big. As simple as the design is, they do include lighting effects on these characters. There are light and dark areas on them, and I'm going to help label those for you now. Went around just almost like a paint by number. If you see a 1, that's going to be the lighter value or the lighter version of a color, and 2s are going to be the darker values, the darker version of that color. And there's even white highlights on these characters too. Again, don't forget those heavy lines. If you need to pause here, do that now. Now, there's also the imposter. There's the animations where you take out or kill one of the survivors. Here's one of my favorites, just real quickly. Again, you can replay this over and over if you want to see how to do the tongue spike drawing. I'm also going to label it with those light and dark value areas so that you can see how to shade this. Now, the next other thing is hats. These are super popular. The things that you can put on your characters just to accessorize, make them more interesting to look at. Yeah, simple egg on the head. Who doesn't love that? Maybe you want to have the balloon on your head. There are tons of these. You can also look up the references. Just Google, Among Us accessories. There you go. And you can copy these. You can also work on the ones that are masked that go on the front of the character over the goggles. This is my personal favorite, the dumb sticky note. Check it out. So again, don't forget, use heavy lines and those lighting areas. If you're going to draw something like the Among Us characters, remember, these things are a very simple design, but that doesn't mean that they're easy to draw. You still have to pay attention and use your skill of observation, make sure that you're paying attention to what exactly the lines look like, and then recreate those. Now, hopefully this was fun for you. Get out there, draw your own Among Us comics. Enjoy creating the scenarios where you are trying to survive, or since so many of my students tend to like being the imposter, enjoy taking out the rest of the crewmates and winning your games. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to check out some of these other videos, like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.